Hello and welcome to QA's free online coding workshop, where we will teach you how to write Python code. This tutorial video will show you the steps required to be able to participate in the event. The things you will need are an email account and a computer that can access the internet. Mobile phones, unfortunately, will not work. The very first thing you're going to want to do is open up a browser and navigate to Trinket.io. On the next page, you will see a button that says Sign up for a free account. Enter your email address and choose a memorable password. Once you are registered, you will be taken to your Trinket homepage. From here, we can see a number of examples. Let's take a look at one. On this new page, you will be able to see a coding interface on the left-hand side and a results output on the right-hand side. At the very top, you will be able to press the Run button to execute the code. And it worked. Excellent. Let's now navigate back to the home page and make our own Trinket. In the top right-hand corner, you should see a button that says New Trinket. And when you click that button, a new drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, we want to select Python 3. Now, this interface is good, but it's a little bit clustered. Let's make it full screen by navigating to the menu bar on the left and clicking full screen. See? Much better. Now, if at any time you need to leave full screen, all you need to do is press the escape key. Let's take a look at some of the menu options. One of the options is labelled Share. Clicking this button will allow you to generate a link that you can give to your friends and family. You may wish to embed your code inside of a website that you already own. You can do this by navigating to the Embed button and copying the code provided. You may also share your code directly from the main coding interface by clicking the Share button. Unveiled will be a list of all platforms that you are able to share to, as well as an option to download and use for later. When it is time to start the lesson, you will need to navigate to qa-learning.webex.com/meet/cgardner. The next screen should provide a Join Meeting button. If the button is not present, the application may be asking you to download the desktop client version. The desktop client version may provide better stability during the lessons, but is not required for the lesson. If this is the case, you can go ahead and cancel the download. You should be able to find a link labelled Join from your browser. The next screen will ask you for your name, as well as your email address. Please provide the same details that were used to register for the lesson. A pop-up may present itself asking if you would like to see the new features of the preview window. Go ahead and skip this. And as a last step before connecting to the meeting, it is vitally important that you ensure your microphone is muted during the lesson. If you have any questions during the lesson, please open up the chat box and provide your questions there. One of the trainers should be able to answer your question as soon as possible. And that's everything there is to it. We look forward to seeing you on the day.